it's Michelle with Pink and Maine. Happy December 1st. And since it's the first of the month, you know what that means. We're going to share our subscriptions for the month. I hope you can't wait to get these delivered to your door. They're super fun and I can't wait to show you. So let's go down to the table and let's take a look. I'm going to start by sharing our foil subscription, which goes out on the 5th of the month. This month, the new foil. Let me take the little label off here. Is satin pink. Oh, you know I love pink, and this satin pink is so pretty. Not that super metallic shine, just a beautiful satin finish in a gorgeous pink color. Perfect when we start to think about Valentine's Day coming, spring and Easter, just about anything you could use pink for. You're going to be the first to get our satin pink if you get the full subscription. You get 25 feet on the roll. They're 6 1/4 inches wide. Beautiful satin pink foil this month. While I'm mentioning the foil subscription, I'll just go ahead and throw in there, since this is sitting here, our foil dusting brushes are back in stock. So we were out of those for a little bit, but now we have them back in stock. That does not come with the foil subscription, but the satin pink foil does, and so does the next two foilables. First, we have the Foilable Panels Latte Notes. Now, these are fun. There's 8 different ones here. Really, it's 4 different patterns, but I print the negative and the positive for you so you can get a variety of looks with your foiling. We have I Miss You a Latte. We have Sending You a Latte Birthday Wishes. Love that. I Hope This Perks You Up, with the little coffee beans. Again, the positive and negative print. And if you're not sure what to do with the positive and negative print and the different looks you can get, be sure to check out some of our foiling videos on our channel. We do lots of foiling on our videos. And then we have, last but not least, Thanks a Latte. So these are super fun for adding some sentiments to your cards, just using them as a fun background that's filled with sentiments. The next foilables that you get with the foil subscription are the Coffee and Donuts foilable sheets. We have 4 different designs here, and again, I'm giving you the positive and the negative print. Look how cute these little coffee and different drinks. And these are your hot drinks. Oh, we got some fun donuts. There's the negative print of the donuts. We've got coffee beans, positive and negative. And then we can't forget those who like their cold iced coffee. My great-grandmother drank iced coffee all through the spring and summer. And the negative print of that. So 8 sheets. They're 8.5 by 5.5. And remember, with our new foil transfer folders, there's a 6 by 9, there's 2 6 by 9 folders in the package, along with 2 6 by 6. So you can easily foil the whole sheet now at once, instead of having to cut it down and foil it. So again, the foil subscription is our satin pink cheer foil, our Latte Notes foilable panels, and our Coffee and Donuts foilable sheets. And that is shipped to you within the US for free for $21.99. That's a great value, especially if you love to collect our cheer foils. Next up, we have our Stamp and Die of the month. It's charged on the 10th of the month, and that's when we ship it out. We ship for free within the US. The stamp of the month is $12, and you'll get a 4x6 stamp set. If you subscribe to the Stamp and Die, you'll also get the coordinating dies along with your stamp. And that's shipped for free within the US for $24. So it's a great value. And I just think it's so fun to get a new Stamp and Die delivered every month to your door. This is Chocolate Love. And we've got a theme going on this month full of sweets. I don't know about you, but I love a good chocolate. So we have sending you a chocolate of cheer. Sending you, you can say thanks, or you can say a chocolate thanks. Sending you, oh, I did that. Okay. Chocolate makes everything better, and I love you, a chocolate. There we go. Super fun sentiments there. I've put some touch of gloss on some of my chocolates. I call these those fancy chocolates. You know, they're real smooth and shiny that you can get. I put a little ice rink glitter on the wings on this chocolate, and down here this and the little cherry inside this one. Super cute. With everything spilling out, I put a little touch of gloss on that as well, so it's just a little shiny. Just a fun little addition to my colored images. So that's the Stamp and Die of the month. Next, we'll talk about our Crafty Courtyard kit, which is our monthly card kit. And this monthly subscription kit ships on the 15th of every month. And this month, the theme is Do Not Forget, or Donut Forget. So we have a fun donut theme. There'll be super fun couple of card sketches on the back of there. The flyer tells you everything that goes into your kit, so you'll always know what's inside your kit. Let's talk about the paper in this kit. So we've got 2 sheets of glitter paper with this beautiful pink and beautiful blue, and they both kind of have like iridescent, sparkly glitter on them. We have Evening Clouds, which is lavender, Salon Pink. We have our Coffee Shop Brown. We have our Pebbles, so nice craft color, and we have a white piece of cardstock. So those are our papers in our kit. You always get a zippered mesh project bag that you can store things in, or you can travel with your crafty goodies and craft on the go. Now let's take a look at what's inside this month's kit. So fun. You're getting a package of our moss twine, really pretty light green. You're going to get a Pink and Main ink pad. This is our dress shop. It's premium dye ink, super fun. It has foam ink pads, so you don't have to squish your stamp on there real hard. Just a light tap, 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 and it's going to ink up beautifully. So that's our dress shop ink pad. So fun. We've never done an ink pad in our kit before. We have super sparkly and fun mix of confetti sequins. These are just available in your kit. The colors coordinate great with the rest of the colors in the kit. We have a 4x6 stamp set. It is Do Not Forget. Lots of different sentiments on here. Eat more whole foods. I love that with the hole, like the donut hole. You are the icing on my donut. Do not know how to thank you. You're my everything. You're the sweetest part of every morning. You're a sprinkled donut in a bagel world. You give me a dozen reasons to smile. This card is sprinkled with love. You're the icing on my donut. Do not worry, all you need is love. Do not know what I'd do without you. Do not forget I love you. There's a whole lot to love about you. You're a glazing. Without you, I'm empty inside. Super cute little sentiments there that can go with this kit. Now this is just a little something I'm throwing in to you guys. I've always been a sticker collector as a kid, and even now I love stickers. I don't use them on my cards really too much. I just like to collect them, if you want to know the truth. And then I stick them in my planner, in my journal. They just make me happy. So I'm throwing in some donut stickers. I thought they were too cute to pass up, and they just go with the theme so well. They're the sweetest little donut stickers with little faces. They match the paper pad really well. And I thought, even if you don't use them on your cards, you could do like I do, put them in your planner, in your journal, or perhaps you decorate the envelopes for your cards that you make. That's a fun way to use stickers as well. So just a fun little addition there of some cute little donut stickers. I'm not done yet. We have our Donut Forget pattern papers. You get a sample pack. There are 12 patterns in here, so you get one of each. And we've got this fun waffle cone texture. There's like little peppermint striped candy sticks in all different colors. We have some fun cherries. It's a little colorful diagonal stripe. This is fun. So this looks like a strawberry with the strawberry seeds. Fun little pink pattern. We've got a green with the bubbles. Any of you matcha drinkers? I think that's how you say that. We've got some lemons and a little green polka dot background. We've got our coffee beans. Super fun. Here's a blue page that is full of little mini marshmallows. So cute. Check this page out. It looks like a giant chocolate bar. Love that. And we've got a page full of sprinkles and a page full of donuts. So fun. Can't wait to see what you all create with the items in this kit. And last but certainly not least is our large die set for the kit. So this die cuts out a frame that fits on an A2 size card, and what it does is it looks like the top of a donut box. So you've got the word donut, bagels, and donuts. You could use the donut word die in lieu of the donut stamp on the stamp set, and you could use all those sentiments with it. We also have bagels and donuts, like I mentioned, that you could put right across the front of your box here. And you can make all kinds of donuts or bagels to go inside the frame. Or you just make your donuts and bagels and decorate your card any way you like. We've got some little hearts that we'll cut out separately so you can embellish. We've got this little drippy piece here, so you can cut part of the donut and it looks like frosting. This little piece right here cuts out from the edge that looks like someone has taken a bite out of it. We've got little frosting lines down here, and then this one cuts out all of your sprinkles. And I'll show you on the back just an example. Isn't that darling? It's like a little box of donuts. That is our subscriptions for December 2025. Thanks again so much for joining me. I hope you've enjoyed taking a closer look at the subscriptions this month and what's in store. I hope you can't wait to get these delivered to your door. You can find out more or subscribe now at pinkandmain.com. And until I see you next time, keep living the creative life.